Want to boost your e-commerce game? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Mailchimp with WooCommerce for your e-commerce store. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up automated email campaigns, personalized recommendations, and track performance, all to drive more sales. First off, if you're wondering whether this integration is worth it, let me assure you it is. Mailchimp can supercharge your WooCommerce store by helping you create automated email campaigns that target customers at the perfect time. And best of all, you can use Mailchimp for free through the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. Let's dive into the steps. The first thing you'll need to do is install the Mailchimp for WooCommerce plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then select Add New. Search for Mailchimp for WooCommerce and click Install. Once it's installed, activate the plugin to get started. Next thing, you need to connect Mailchimp to your WooCommerce store. In your WordPress dashboard, you'll see the Mailchimp plugin settings. You'll need to log into your Mailchimp account, or if you don't have one yet, you can create a free account. After logging in, just follow the on-screen instructions to connect your store. Now, after connecting your account, you'll want to sync your WooCommerce store's data with Mailchimp. This includes your customer list, orders, and product information. This sync is what allows you to send personalized and automated emails based on user behavior. This data sync ensures that you're targeting the right people at the right time. The fourth thing, let's set up some automated campaigns. With Mailchimp, you can create powerful workflows like welcome emails for new customers, abandoned cart reminders, or post-purchase follow-ups. To set these up, simply go to the automation section in Mailchimp and choose the type of campaign you want. For example, an abandoned cart email campaign will automatically send a reminder to customers who left items in their cart without completing the purchase. Moving on to the next thing, let's talk about adding product recommendations to your emails. Mailchimp can automatically suggest products based on what your customers have bought in the past, which is a great way to increase repeat purchases. Simply add a product block to your email templates, and Mailchimp will populate it with the most relevant products for each recipient. And the final thing you'll want to do is monitor your results. Once your Mailchimp and WooCommerce integration is set up and you've launched your campaigns, tracking performance is key. In your Mailchimp account, you'll find detailed analytics that show how your emails are performing, open rates, click rates, and even sales generated from your campaigns. These insights help you refine your strategy for even better results. As you can see, integrating Mailchimp with WooCommerce for e-commerce is a game changer. It allows you to automate and personalize your marketing efforts, saving time and driving more sales. Remember, you can get started for free with the exclusive offer in the description below. Take advantage of that extended free trial. Thanks for watching. If you want more tips on boosting your e-commerce success, be sure to check out the next video.